Good day everyone, you are welcome to Yoruba Bata's channel. Share this video, like it and make comments. Today we are going to be learning the keys in playing Iya Ilu Bata. Iya Ilu Bata. There are keys, the drum speaks. Then you can't just take your drum and be playing it blah 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 blah. No, you have to learn the required skill, how you will play it. People will listen, they will understand what you are saying, whether you are trying to sing some words or you are trying to play beats. Then you should learn how well to play that, so that people will say, oh wow, this is melodious, this is very very good, amazing. So you're gonna come with me now. As we all see and we all know, Bata have two faces. We call this Sasa and we call this Idi or Ojojo. So if you want to play Bata drum, these two faces are very very important and with different tone. So you can play this, will give you its own sound. You can play this, this is just something like beam, beam. You know that it can give you another different sound from this. Can give you something like, that's three different sounds now. Listen to it. You see that? But this Sasa, you can only have one sound from Sasa, and this is because it has no Ida. The black subject is not in Sasa, so we can only have one sound here. So by playing these different faces, you can also make a fashion, that is, you can play them together and it will give you different sounds from what you play with just Sasa or the Ojojo. You can play it together, something like, So now, according to me, I said this one, if I play it ordinarily, if I play this Sasa, it gives me, according to the way I developed it, it says la, la, la. And this is only what you can get from Sasa. La, la, la. Get that. Now we have the Ojojo or Idi, Iya Ilu. Idi, we can call it Idi or Ojojo. Now let's see what we can get from Ojojo and how we can bring out the sound. Basically, we can derive three sounds from Ojojo. Let's see that. We have, you should understand that you have to position your hand. There is a way you position your hand if you want to get different sound from this. So you see, this is, I hope you can see, I call it D. Then another one, see the tips of my fingers, you see, D, Re, Do you see that? D, D. You see that? D, D. Then the third one. You see how I play that? Fi, 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 D, D, Fi. D, D, Fi. Those are the three you can get from Idi Ilu. Those are the three. Now you'll be wondering, how are we, playing this together and give us what we want? Yes, it's simple. Before we move on to playing something, you will see, if you know, to those of you who knows our music very well or can play keyboard, we have inversion, what we call inversion, by combining one key to the other. This is one key entirely, and this is the other key entirely. So we can combine this with it like inversion, so that it will be more melodious. To some learners, they just get their drums and start playing. They don't know how to make inversion, and if you cannot make inversion, then there is no probability that you are going to say things with your drum and people understand. So like, let me play àwa làgbà adìyẹ funfun làgbà adìyẹ àwa làgbà. I will play it without making inversion, and I will play it with inversion. Now you listen to it clearly and tell me which one is better. Now let me play it without inversion, without playing. What I mean by inversion is this shasha and this ojojo. I will have to play it together at the same time whenever I want to say things. But without inversion, I will have to play it differently. If I play this one, I will not play this one immediately. Sorry. So it's gonna be àwa làgbà. Now, come on, go with me. This is without inversion. Now let's see with inversion. Now tell me which one is better. So it's lovely. You try to study this out. You carefully watch this video, learn it in a careful way, so that whenever you get to play your drums, it will be amazing. Like amazing. So then, from what I played, do you now see that? Oh, okay, let me ask you, which one is better? Ku la ku ku la ku la 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 ku ku la ku la ku la ku ku. No, it doesn't make any sense. But ja 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 ji ja ji ji ja 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 ji ja 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 ja. That's better. So now let's go to inversion. Now don't forget that this key only have one sound, la, and this have B, D, F. Now we are moving on to inversion, and inversion too is 3 different sounds. So now listen, we have with what I played now, ja, ja, fa. If you want to invert it, this is ja. Now by inverting ja, you have to combine a D and la. That will give you ja. I hope you get that. You combine D and ja, it will give you ja. I hope you get that. And we have a ja. Ja. By playing that, you have to convert D and la, that is D and la, that is, it will give us ja. I hope you get that. Ja. Now the last one on inversion is gonna be fa, fa, fa. By that is, let me play it first. That is fa. Now by combining that, we have to combine, by playing that, we have to combine fi. We have to combine fi with la, la, la. Now let's see how that goes. That is help together. That's fa. Combination of fi and la. That is fa. Now let's play the three together. That's ja, ja, fa. I hope that sounds well. We can, if I play that, if to say I was talking, I may decide to interpret that to kò wọlé, kò wọlé.